In this video, we're going to take you step by step through the installation of GAF, Timbertex, and Sealer Ridge ridge cap shingles. Ridge cap shingles provide a striking and higher quality alternative to using cut-up strip shingles as your ridge cap. Before installation, separate each piece into 3 individual ridge cap shingle pieces at the pre-scored perforations. To begin, start at the lowest hip intersection and work up the roof. Cut a starter course, leaving only the black section with the adhesive. Align the first shingle so the adhesive strip is just inside the corner of the drip edge. Fasten shingle with 2 nails. Use only zinc-coated steel or aluminum 10 to 12 gauge barbed, deformed, or smooth shank roofing nails with heads 3/8 to 7/16 inch in diameter. Nails should be long enough to penetrate at least 3/4 of an inch into wood decks. Then, trim the starter course flush with the drip edge. With the next shingle, overlap the starter shingle completely, ensuring it extends past the drip edge on the eaves. Again, nail in place and trim flush to the drip edge. Lay out the next shingle using the alignment notches in the headlap area as a guide, but do not nail it down yet. Strike a chalk line up the hip, along the edge of the 2 shingles, and parallel to the hip center line to help alignment up the hip. Now, nail down the second shingle. Continue to work your way up the hip, keeping shingles aligned to the chalk line. Continue installing shingles across the roof and on top of attic ventilation. To finish, install a full shingle at the end and fasten with 2 nails. Trim the shingle along the drip edge of the roof. Finish the ridge cap installation by applying 2 beads of roofing cement over the exposed nails. Be sure to check out more GAF Pro Series installation videos. Good luck with your roofing project.